Hey everybody, Pat here in what I call West Corners Custom Cycles, the Underground Garage. I call it the Underground Garage because it's not a store open Main Street USA to the public. It's just something I do out of my two-stall garage here in the back of my house. Been doing it since about 2005. I just customize bikes of my own and been making videos on stuff that I do, but I'd like to try and start up an actual business doing what I do, and so I'm trying to get the word out. But anyway, today I'm just doing a profile on a couple of bikes that I did before I ever started calling this place that. They're actually my personal daily rider and my wife's daily rider. Just going to show you what we've been doing to them, what the things that I've done to mine over the course of many years. She's only had hers a couple of years, but she doesn't want me to do a lot to hers, just some dress-up stuff. But let's take a look at these bikes. Okay, this one is the wife's bike, 2015 Sportster. Back up a little so you can get a shot of it. Haven't done a lot to it, like I said. Put some axle nut covers on it. Dress up the end of the axle a little bit. Put a tool bag on it. Put an oil filter cover on it. Put some saddlebags on it. Saddlebags have a cup holder. Both of them do. There's actually lowering blocks that I put on the bottom of these shocks. Drop the bike about 2 inches in the back. Gave her something to carry her stuff in. Put this air cleaner on it. Air cleaner's pretty cool. You can actually see right inside the carburetor when the bike's running. Looks good too. It looks a lot better than that football shaped thing that was on there when it came stock. Like I said, we haven't done a lot to this one, but it's her baby. That's all she's wanted me to do to it so far. I kind of want to change out the seat and the pipes, but when she lets me, she lets me. Okay, now over to mine. This is my baby, the one I've been building for years. It's a 1989 Sportster. I've customized any and everything on it with the help of a few good friends. Give it a walk around here and tell you what I've done to it. When I bought this bike, it was absolutely bone stock with a peanut tank on it. And I'll start. Me and a buddy of mine took a set of drag bars, made these handlebars for it. Put a wide glide front end on it. Powder coated the lower ends. I made the headlight. The lights are actually in the eyes of the skull. Put the forearm and hands on there. Tool bag. Cone air filter. LAF. Loud as frog pipes on it. Hand shifter. All custom made. Skulls on the foot pegs. Saddlebags with cup holders. 10-inch progressive shocks. Lowered this thing 2 inches. I changed out all the tins. Front fender, tank, and rear fender. They have custom paint. Changed out the seat. This is a trailer plug brake light that I put on the back of the sissy bar. That is a belt buckle, hands and handcuffs underneath it. Side mount, license plate and tail light. This is the linkage for the hand shift. That's another trailer plug that lights up LEDs in the eyes and the nose. Oil filter cover on it. And anything that you see that I've done on any bikes and any videos of mine that you see, I can do on your bike. I post these videos for people to get an idea of what they can do and hopefully maybe do it on their own. But if somebody doesn't think they have the skill set and they want to contact me, that's what I'm trying to get a business doing, is customizing bikes. I've got a couple older ones that I've restored that I didn't customize. I'll do a video profile on those also. This is also a belt buckle down here over the points cover. And this bike actually has been converted back to points, so I can service it on the side of the road if I needed to. Also, I have a phone holder for GPS for when I do long distance runs, and I have music. Speakers light up. From the amplifiers ringing in your head. You smoke the day's last cigarette. Like I said, we can do any and all of this to any bike you have. All right. Pat from Custom Cycles again. And live life behind bars. Keep the shiny side up. Be good to each other. Peace out. I'll catch you on the flip side.